Hey Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
Midnight.
Sure, your alarm's set for tomorrow at midnight. Good night.
Yo, what's up YouTube? So, I'm actually in southern Kentucky right now. It's like 5:30 in the morning, so the sun doesn't come up for another half an hour, but I am at this waterfall, which you can probably hear, and I'm actually going to try to take some like long exposures before the sun comes up and try to get some like nighttime shots of the fall, basically. Not really sure how it's going to turn out, or if I'm even going to be able to access that, like the overlook area, to be honest. So we're gonna have to try that out. I do have the headlamp here, so I can actually see where I'm going over there. But yeah, let's get up there and see what we can do with this. Also, it's pretty darn foggy, so like add that to the wrinkle of trying to take nighttime pictures of this waterfall. Alright, well, so far so good. I was even able to toss the drone up a little bit, which felt a little dicey with how foggy it is. But we were able to make it work. It was pretty dark to start. But regardless, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. I'm going to follow this trail around. I think it may go down to where I can kind of get more of a river level shot. I'm not entirely sure, but we're gonna go check it out. All right, well, that was pretty awesome. I'm definitely glad I made the decision to come down here. Not only was that view spectacular, but this little walk, like, through this little recessed cave looking area is pretty awesome as well. But yeah, I believe that is going to be it for here. I'm getting ready to head back to the car, and we are going to make our way to the next spot. Well, I was walking to the car, fully intending on leaving, and then I looked out over the river, saw the sun kind of coming across like the tips of the hills and the trees, and realizing that the fog was starting to lift, so couldn't leave. Had to go back, take some more pictures, and mostly I just went back just to get some of those drone shots, and boy am I glad I did. Like, that shot looking over the hills was like way better than I even imagined that was going to be. Like, I wasn't even anticipating getting that shot, so pretty happy with that. But that is actually going to be it for here. So yeah, we're about back to the car now, gonna hit the road to the next spot. And just kidding, I'm a liar. Didn't even make it out the parking lot. Saw this cool concrete bridge right over the river and sun coming up behind it, so gonna hop out and take some pics real quick. Might actually fly the drone up there, see how it looks up there. Actually, yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. Okay, now we're out of here for real this time. Alright, well, made it to the next spot. I dang near went flying by this place and I was only doing like 20 miles an hour, honestly, because like, I mean, there's no real signage, and it just kind of immediately turns into this little parking spot area. So that was pretty interesting, but we're here now, and it looks like it's just a trail out through the woods. I'm pretty sure there's a waterfall out in there, so we're gonna go check that out. Oh man, this does not bode well for my hopes at seeing a waterfall out here. Well, that doesn't look so bad. I think we can work with that. Let's hike down to the bottom and see what it looks like down there. So when you find a wonderful spot and you don't have a functioning tripod, you improvise. Let me show you. So, pulled this rock down from up there somewhere, and then stacked these two rocks here so that I could prop the camera up and get that shot. Like I said, improvise. Making the best out of it. I mean, gotta get the shot, right? Alright, well I do believe that is going to be it from here. That was pretty awesome, not gonna lie. That was honestly way better than I had expected. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, that is going to be it from here. About to hike up out of this jungle here and get back to the car and head back to Columbus. You know, just a random thought, there really are so many perks to coming to a place like this so early in the morning. Like, first of all, you start your day with something incredible, so like you already know it's going to be a good day. But not only that, like you have the entire rest of your day to do anything you want. There are rarely people here this morning, this early. Like, I made it that entire time taking all those photos and all that video and did not see a single person until like just a couple minutes ago. And I'm basically back to the parking lot already. So, not to mention, it really is like just now starting to really warm up. So yeah, just some random thoughts on how awesome it is to get to places like this early in the day. Alright, well that is going to be it for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like it, comment down below, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.